Interactive whiteboards. An interactive whiteboard, also commonly known as interactive board or smart board, is a large interactive display in the form factor of a whiteboard. It can either be standalone touchscreen computer used independently to perform tasks and operations, or a connectable apparatus used as a touchpad to control computers from a projector. They are used in a variety of settings, including classrooms at all levels of education, in corporate boardrooms and work groups, in training rooms for professional sports coaching, in broadcasting studio, and others. The first interactive whiteboards were designed and manufactured for use in the offices. Uh, they were developed around 1990. This board was used in small group meetings and roundtables. So these are the devices that allow computer images to be displayed on a whiteboard using a digital projector. In their original form, it was this. They also allow a user to write on the whiteboard, and the text or drawing produced are then stored in an electronic form for later use if required, otherwise may be discarded. So they were the replacement of traditional whiteboards, and with the ability of computers. You can fetch on websites, you can use your graphics software, or you can use the touch system, which is certainly more effective than just the manual writing on the board. Thank you.